Brother, if you are learning Python and you don't know if else statement yet, honestly I tell you something, you have not really started. In the next 5 minutes, I'm going to make this concept so clear that you will never forget it. What's up everyone, welcome back to GNR Tech channel, where I'm going to show you something that I teach myself every day. And today's topic is if elif else statement. It means Python decision making system. Let's get into it. Imagine if you are a bouncer outside a club. Your rule is simple. The person 18 or older, let them in. That is exactly what an if statement does. Let's an example. एक वेरिएबल लेते हैं age equal to 20. If age greater than and equal to 18, then print welcome in club. And then let's run it and see. The output is welcome in club. Now what do you tell someone who is under 18? That's where else comes in. It means if the condition is false, do this instead. Let's understand with example. एक और वेरिएबल लेते हैं एज इक्वल टू 15. इफ एज ग्रेटर देन इक्वल टू 18, देन प्रिंट वेलकम इन क्लब. एल्स प्रिंट सॉरी यू आर टू यंग. And then let's run it and see. The output is sorry, you are too young. Now अब थोड़ा कॉम्प्लेक्स सोचते हैं. If your club has 3 rules, 18 and above, everyone full entry. 13 to 17, now kids zone, and everyone else goes to home. You cannot handle with if else. That's where comes elif. Example, age 14. Okay, age 14. If age greater than and equal to 18, then print welcome in club. Elif is greater than and equal to 13, then print you are kids zone. Else print sorry, you are too young. See how it works. Python checks from top to bottom. The first condition matches gets executed and everything else is skipped. So let's quickly recap. If checks the first condition, elif adds more condition between it, and else when nothing else matches. Together let's see these Python make decision like a human brain. If you are enjoying this video, please click that like button right now and please subscribe to the channel so you never miss a lesson with me, and sharing this video with a friends who is learning Python helps a lot too.